Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your voice on Discord. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my mobile phone, and as we know guys that on Discord there is no option to change our voice. So if we want to change our voice, we need to download an application. You can go to your Play Store or Apple Store to download a voice changer application. If you are Android user, you can go to Play Store. But if you are iOS user, you can go to the Apple Store. Okay, and I'm going to search for a voice changer application. Just type in voice changer, and then there will be a lot of voice changer apps you can download, but I recommend you to download this one, voice changer, voice effect. And as you can see, I have installed this application, so I just need to open it. Okay guys, and here you can record your voice by clicking on this option, or you can use text to audio, or you can open a file from your device to change a voice. And I'm just going to choose this one. I'm going to use audio from my device, and I'm going to change the voice. I'm going to apply voice changer to my audio. The audio is here. This is the audio. I want to apply voice changer to. I'm going to show you the original audio like this guys, the original audio, and I'm going to apply voice changer. Let's try this one. Okay, I think I will go with this one guys. I'm going to apply man voice to my audio, and then we're going to click on save. Okay, and just hold on. All right, and now the audio has been saved to my device, and I'm going to share it to my friend on Discord. I'm going to choose Discord. Okay, and I'm just going to share my voice to this account. All right, wait guys. Okay, now the voice with voice changer applied to it has been sent to my friend on Discord. Okay guys, and that's all the way to change our voice on Discord. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye!